Hi, I'm Anima. I'm founder of Prishni Innovations Private Limited. As part of Prishni Innovations, we are trying to make education accessible to one and all. So, as part of this, we also have a stream wherein we are teaching experiential and explorative way of learning science. We are making science simple, easy, interactive, and fun. This science experiments, it's not only going to make it, one more very important factor is we are trying to make it inclusive. So when we trade these simple low cost experiments in the class, it is not only improves them the science concept, and the children not only grasp the science concepts, but it also helps the children with learning disabilities and slow learners to understand and grasp the concept. What do you do when you get up early in the morning? I think most of us will say we just go brush our teeth. Okay. For brushing the teeth, what do? Don't you open a tap? Yes, we do open taps every single day in the morning. I think at least 20 times, 10 times, each one of us would be opening the taps in the morning. But have you ever wondered how does a tap work? Today in this video, I will explain you with a very simple, easy and low cost model how does a tap work. This model is good enough to explain even second grader and even pre-primary child how a tap works. So we will first see how it works and then I will explain you the model. Now I am putting some water in this. We will our tap is closed right now, and let me open the tap and then we will see. This is how a tap works. And you will also understand and have an idea how do we control the speed. If we want water to flow very fast, we open complete tap. If we want little water to flow, then we will close this hole or make the small hole smaller. Now how do we make this model is what I will explain. These are 2 cups. We first mark a circle, draw a circle on one cup and cut this circle. We take a barbecue stick, break it into 2 and then we insert on the top of this cup in form of a square or in form of a cross. We take another plain cup and we place this on this and we mark the circle on this. We cut it and this will become like this. So we place an inner circle on the newly cut circle and this is how a model works. Thank you.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.